Welcome back to Yarn Basics. This time I'm going to show you how to do a front post and a back post. Now I've already got it started using stitches that I've shown you how to do in previous posts. I did a chain of 12 and then I did a double crochet of 12 going back across. I did a chain of 2 to start, and now I'm going to wrap it over, and to make the front post we're going to insert the hook into this space between the first and second double crochet, and then we're going to push it through to the other side. We're going to wrap over, pull through, wrap over, pull through 2, wrap over, pull through 2. So we did a double crochet front post. Wrap over, insert hook into the space, pull it through to the other side, wrap over, pull through, wrap over, pull through 2, wrap over, pull through 2. That's your second front post double crochet. Now we'll do a back post double crochet. So you wrap over. This time you're going to go in through the back, around the front, out into the back, wrap over, pull through, wrap over, pull through 2, wrap over, pull through 2. That's a back post double crochet. Let's do another one. Wrap over, go in through the back, push through to the other side, wrap over, pull through, wrap over, pull through 2, wrap over, pull through 2. It's another second back post double crochet, and you could do this with triple post if you want, but that's how you get your different patterns. Again, wrap over. We're going to go into the front this time and do 2 front posts. Wrap over, pull through 2, wrap over, pull through 2. Again, insert, wrap over, pull through 2, wrap over, pull through 2, wrap over, pull through 2. Let's do 2 back posts. Insert in through the back, around the front, wrap over, pull through, wrap over, pull through 2, wrap over, pull through 2. Again, I'm going to do this to the end, and then I'll just show you how to turn it, which if you've watched the other videos, you'll see how easy it is to turn your project and start again. Now we'll do 2 in the front, wrap over, another one in the front, wrap over, and then for their last post I wrap over and I do a double crochet into the top. This will keep your edges straight. And that is how you do a front post and a back post. And if you want to learn how to do your next row, you're going to do chain 2, turn, now I'm going to go into a front post, and I will do 2 front posts. 2 back posts. And you'll see that there's, oh, I lost my yarn. You'll see that there's a pattern starting to emerge. So you have front post, back post. And there it is. Hope this helped. Please like my page and subscribe. Thank you.